It's 2026, and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks are everywhere right now. This phone is dropping soon, and today I'm breaking down the 5 most insane features that could make it the king of flagships. Let's dive in. Number 1. The game-changing privacy display. Imagine this. You're on a crowded train checking your bank app or private messages, and the person next to you can't see a thing. Leaks show Samsung's new privacy display uses advanced Flex Magic Pixel OLED tech combined with AI to block side, top, and bottom views. From straight on, the screen looks crystal clear and bright, but angle it even a little? Boom, it blacks out or dims completely for them. No more annoying privacy screen protectors that kill brightness forever. It's toggleable in settings display, with modes like standard or maximum protection, and it can auto-activate based on location or apps. This is the feature we've all been waiting for, real-world privacy without compromises. Mind blown yet? Number 2. Camera upgrades that could destroy the competition. While some leaks say the main 200MP HP2 sensor stays, others hint at a massive jump, possibly to a sharper 250MP setup in early rumors, but confirmed changes include better low-light performance, reduced lens flare, and a cleaner unified camera island design, like the Z Fold style. The S Pen gets a color upgrade too, and it might auto-scan notes into digital format. Night shots? Way less noise than the S25 Ultra. If you're a content creator, this could be your next upgrade. Number 3. Release date drama, January or March? The biggest question right now. Korean media and leakers like Ice Universe say Samsung's holding the Unpacked event on February 25th in San Francisco, with sales starting in early March 2026. Some early rumors pointed to January, but it looks like a slight delay for final tweaks. Drop your guess in the comments, January or March. Who's hyped? Number 4. Galaxy S26 Ultra versus iPhone 18 Pro Max. The 2026 battle starts now. Apple's iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored for September 2026, but Samsung is coming first. Better zoom, 5x periscope, potentially longer battery life, 15+ hours real-world versus Apple's 10 to 12, and that privacy screen Apple doesn't have yet. Titanium versus advanced materials, who wins? Comment below, Samsung or Apple? Number 5. Hidden features Samsung is hiding. Beyond privacy, expect a next-gen ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that's even faster, under 2 seconds unlock. Qi 2 wireless charging up to 25W, and AI smarts that auto-trigger privacy in public spots. These little things make daily use feel futuristic. Guys, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be epic. If you want live demos once it drops, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. What feature excites you most? Drop it in the comments. Peace out.